I am not the primary individual you adored. You are not the principal individual. I took a gander at with a significant piece of forever. We have both realized misfortune like a sharp edge of a blade. We have both lived with lips more scar tissue than skin or affection come unannounced around midnight or affection come when very abundant requesting that adorating come. I feel that most be essential for its supernatural occurrence. This is the means by which we reciprocate. I will kiss you like absolution. You will hold me like him. I am trust. Our arms will sweetie, and we will squeeze guarantees between us like blossoms in a book. I will compose works to the shell of sweet on your skin. I will compose books to the scar of nose. I will compose a word reference of the relative multitude of words I have utilized attempting to priority the manner in which it feels to have at long last tracked down you. What's more, I want fear your scars. I know at times it's still difficult to allow me to see you in the eternity of your broken fallency. However, kindly, you know, whatever it's the days you consume more splendid than the sun or the evenings you break down into my lap, your body broken into 1,000 chorus. You are the most lovely thing I be at any point seen. I will cherish you when you are a still day. I will cherish you when you are at phone. The more you disappear from me, the nearer I come towards you. I may not let out the slightest peep, but rather my heart will constantly let you know that you are my dearest. I miss you, my affection. This is an embrace from me to you to tell you I am considering you fortunate more in spite of fact that I don't have anything to say. You realize I need to say I revere you, my dear. Besides the fact that you contacted have my brain, so I just think about you. However, you we contacted my heart such that I will always remember you. You are my dream. I don't contemplate a lot of things and I don't think for extremely lengthy. However, when I do think, It purportedly will in generally be about you, my adoration. You are my beginning and end. You are the explanation I get up in the first part of the day. Cheerfully, you are the explanation I had to sleep proud around. Evening time, feeling content and blissful. You are the explanation I am impaired up for the future and what it holds for us. I can't envision my existence without you. You have given such a lot of pleasure and satisfaction into my life. You are my stone, my emotionally supportive network, my curtain and my closest companion. I love you beyond what words can communicate, and I will contently esteem you. Great morning, all my ecstasy fans. Each time I rest, I long for you. At the point when I awaken, I contemplate you. You are all that I have. I love you, dear. Whenever I am holding a bloom, the entire individual that comes into my brain is you. I love you, darling. Nothing at any point brings me happiness. Take going through a night with you. You are the apple of my eyes. Your presence in my life gives me the sovereignty to overcome every one of my concurrents. I am nothing without you, honey. Each time I awaken, I gaze at my telephone, anticipating your call or message. I truly miss you. Dear, distance make no difference to us. Do you have any idea why? You are dependably in my heart. I love you, sweetheart. You are my solidarity, my defender, and my legend. You are a man each lady meet want to have close by. I love you. Honey, you are and consistently have been my fantasy. It's anything but an absence of affection, yet an absence of companionship that makes disappointment. Relationships, there is in every case some frenzy in affection, be that as it might. There is additionally in every case some explanation in franticness. Love provides no boundaries. It bounces, obstacles, jumps, wells, infiltrate walls to show up at its objective reality for anything to harm it. Individuals attempt to reciprocate each other is love. Love responds the price. You can't see it, however you can feel it. You make each second a memory that I will stamp for eternity. My heart beats to the mood of the music you bring into my life.